Hello friends, welcome back. In this demo, Anisha is going to demonstrate you how we can go ahead and do live pose estimation with OpenVINO. And most importantly, we will also show you how exactly the pose estimation can be done with CPU, GPU and NPU. You will be able to visualize the differences in terms of the inferencing speed as well as in terms of the frames per second all live. I'm going to go ahead with it right now. I'm sure you will like it. Let's go ahead and have a look at it. The code is getting run. All these samples are available in the GitHub and you can try it out. Now I'm selecting CPU. Now please ensure that the previous steps are run before you go to the next step. You can see the inference time is 25.6 milliseconds or 7 milliseconds, etc. And frames per second was also seen. Now I'm going to go with GPU as the option. You will see superb improvement in terms of the inference speed as well as the frames per second. You can see that inference speed has improved tremendously, just 6.5 milliseconds, and FPS is above 150. Now let's go to NPU. It has to strike the balance between CPU and GPU. Let's see how exactly it runs. Yes, we can see that it is striking the balance and it's definitely better than CPU, and it's slightly less than the GPU. That's it. Try out this demo and let us know if you have any questions.